In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the Snapchat error support code SS06. Let's get started. First, understand the error. Support code SS06 usually pops up when Snapchat temporarily locks your account because of too many login attempts, using third-party apps or suspicious activity. The good news, you can fix it. Start by going to the Snapchat login screen and tap Forget your password. Reset it using your email or phone number. Make sure to create a strong new password that you haven't used before. On your device, clear the Snapchat cache from settings, or if needed, uninstall and reinstall the app. This ensures you are running the latest version without any glitches. Next up, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website Snapchat Support. Once you're on the website, you'll need to click on the option My account is compromised. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Now you'll need to fill out this form. Type in username, email address that is linked with your Snapchat account, phone number that is linked with your Snapchat account, and briefly explain about the issue over here and submit it. With that, Snapchat support team will get back to you. And that's it. These are some fixes for Snapchat support code SS06. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.